So I am a firm believer that you need to love the space you're in. Whether that's your home office, whatever. I think you need to absolutely love where you are to have the best results, to be the most productive, all the things. So I'm jumping on the train today and I'm gonna take you on a tour of my home office. Let's go. If you are new here, my name is Jessica Stansberry and I am here to help you create a life that you love, run an online business to help fund that life, and hashtag all the things. So if that sounds like something you are interested in, make sure you hit subscribe below so you never miss another video with me. Now I have to address the elephant in the room. There's so many elephants right now. I normally wear contacts. Look at my eye, y'all. Look, I don't even know. It's some kind of like, I either scratched my eye, am having an allergic reaction, something, not totally sure, but this is how you're getting your girl today. And you know what? It's okay, because progress over perfection, right? Yesterday I couldn't even open my eye, so let's consider that a win. Now, you can see some of my new setup here behind me already, and it looks different than my other videos, but I wanted to talk for just a second before I show you the full tour about why I've done what I've done and, you know, like hopefully be able to help you along the way a little bit. So essentially, when we moved in our house, which we custom built, it was like my biggest goal for my business ever was to buy the land we're sitting on and build this house. And when we moved in, every room in this house was designed. I knew what furniture I wanted, I knew how I wanted it to look, like all the things, except for my office. And the reason was, well, a couple of things. It's small, it's also like oddly shaped, so it's like longer this way, and I knew my desk had to sit here. So it was one of those things where I just had trouble figuring out exactly what I wanted my office to look like. Also, I need aesthetically pleasing things behind me because I film videos for a living. So all of that, plus the fact that I had a ginormous 500-pound treadmill that literally could not go anywhere else but my office because my husband and my dad refused to carry it upstairs. It was that heavy. And it couldn't really go anywhere else downstairs except for my office. And it was an eyesore in here and it made me hate working in here. I just absolutely like hated coming into my office to work because over here on this, in this like field of vision was this giant ugly treadmill. So my office got to the point where I just didn't want to be in here ever, and I decided that had to change, even if that meant I had to get rid of my treadmill. So got rid of the treadmill. I can run outside and I got a Peloton bike, so you know, we good. But I decided to get rid of the treadmill and completely overhaul my office with new furniture and plants and things that make me feel happy. So let's go on a tour. I will link everything that I can below, but if I can't link it, I'll tell you where I got it and hopefully you can find it for yourself. All right, let's go. So this is basically the extent of my office. I'm literally standing in the door, but here we go. So over here, I do have a closet, which is home to all the things. So like my printer, my lights for videos if I need them, anything that's kind of an eyesore is hidden behind this door, and that is not part of the tour today because I'm not real sure what's back there. So this is my desk. This is where I was just sitting. I was kind of sitting at an angle like my computer is sitting. So you saw a combination of those two things back there. But over here is where I keep all of my cameras and everything. I do plan to do some more stuff on this wall and or repaint this little cart, but it's you know, it's just where I like throw all my camera cards and cameras and everything like that. Oh, there's a battery on the floor. We're keeping it real. Pretty basket with a trash can inside. And then this desk I got from World Market. I absolutely love it. I've had 3 desks in this office since we moved in, not quite, well, a little over a year ago. So this one is my absolute favorite. It's just like wooden detail and metal and all the things, and I absolutely love it. This drawer is full of pens, and then it's got this middle drawer, that drawer, and then I have baskets kind of scattered throughout the desk. But that is a fun fake plant because I needed some greenery in here, and yo girl can't keep things alive. So desk, that's also a fun fake thing I got from Walmart. By the way, this is from Target, and I'll link everything below as much as I can. So that's from Target, desk is from World Market. This little contraption is from Walmart. There's my mic, which I will also link below. It is my favorite. The thing with the mic, I actually had a boom arm on my old desk, but this desk is so like thick this way that it won't fit because the back of the desk is just as thick. So I'm okay with that because I can hide it a little easier too. Over here, so let me explain kind of the process. Let me roll my chair over. This chair and the rug are from Amazon. So I'll link those below as well. The chair has been great. It's starting to rip up a little. I've actually had it for about a year, but the rug is great. I will say my chair doesn't roll the best in the world on this rug, but other than that, it's fine. So let me explain a little bit kind of about my goal here in my office. Because I film videos, I wanted to make sure that wherever I wanted to film looked pretty. So if I want to film at my desk, awesome, looks pretty, right? If I want to film with this in the background, awesome, looks pretty. Maybe I don't want everything in the background, but I just want this little corner. Awesome, looks pretty. Maybe I want this mirror in the background, or I want to film in the mirror for like Instagram stories. Awesome, looks pretty. So that was kind of my goal. When I set out to do, let me back up so you can see the whole office again. When I set out to do the whole project, obviously I want it to look good all together, right? But I also wanted several different pieces where I felt like I could film there or I could take pictures there and feel really good about it. Now, I will say this wall here, we are actually gonna do shiplap. I have shiplap in 3 areas of my house, and we're gonna do it here on this accent wall, which is the main wall you guys see behind me in videos. It's not done yet, and I'm okay with that. Like, it's fine, you know? Also, real plant alert, real plant alert. I got it from Walmart the other day, so it's you know, I didn't do that. But I'm thinking we can keep him alive. It's a snake plant. I've heard great things about being able to keep snake plants alive, so we'll see. So plant and planter from Walmart. This little doodad is from Walmart. Magnolia candle from Target. And then I have several just like pretty notebooks here. I have no clue where I got 90% of them. I think most of them are from Target, and then this is one of Rachel Hollis's Start Today journals that I got at her conference. And I actually have never written in it. This fake succulent is from Walmart. My girl, my icon, my inspiration for all things I do, Joanna Gaines. These little glass bottles are from Wayfair. I actually have a whole set. And then I have a Walmart diffuser down here for essential oils, and that basket is basically empty, but it does have essential oils in it. And then down here, I don't have like pretty color-coded books. And I felt like it kind of took away from the aesthetics of the office. So I put all my books, not all of them, but I put the books that I have in my office down here with this fun print from, I think that's like Phoenix, Arizona, and some different things that I like, but didn't want up here in the view of everything. So the shelf itself is from Wayfair. Again, linking everything below. This chair is from Target, and I love it so very much. It's super comfortable. It was very easy to put together. I put it together myself. I got it shipped here rather than going to get going to get it at Target because hashtag coronavirus. But it has been great. And then the blanket, no clue where it's from. I've had it for years, but I've just got it thrown over there. This basket is from TJ Maxx. And you'll notice I literally have nothing in the basket except for the plant. I need to get some of the fake grass stuff. But this faux fiddle leaf fig tree is from QVC. I'll link it below. That print is from Home Goods, so I can't link it, but I may do something different back there anyway, so it's fine. I'm gonna try and stay out of the mirror view because I'm wearing pajama pants and slippers. You know, just saying. But this mirror view is fun for me. So we actually bought this ottoman. Well, here we are. Hello. We actually bought this ottoman poof from Wayfair for our other house when we were going to turn it into a rental, like a Airbnb rental. But when we decided not to do that, and we actually decided to rent it to someone long term, we took all of our furniture out and sold it. But I was like, this is perfect for my office. I love it. It's just a fun one. I can slip it up underneath my desk too. So if I want to like put my feet up and work in that way, I can. But otherwise, it's most of the time it is like kind of scooted like that. So you have this kind of pretty, again, corner of the office. So the mirror is from Wayfair as well. I'll link it below. And then I have these fun fake plants in this thing. These two are from Target. This one, I have no clue where it's from. But this fun macrame I got off a shop from Etsy. So I will link it below as well. And that's it, y'all. Again, I really wanted this to be an oasis, right? I wanted to feel at home in here and feel like I just loved coming to my office, and now I do. But two, I wanted it to be aesthetically pleasing on camera in one way or another. And then three, I wanted to make sure there were different spots that I can film or take pictures and it still looks on brand and still looks awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed this home tour. Hopefully that was helpful. I'll link everything below that I talked about or I showed you guys. And definitely stick around if you are needing to know how to run an online business. If you want to know how to be more productive. If you really want to create a life that you love, this is the home for that. And I'd love for you to hit subscribe so that you don't miss any other helpful videos with me. And until next time, bye y'all.